also we are continuing the topic sequence and series, and in the last lecture we discussed the problems based on AP. Now again I am just doing some more problems of AP. Those problems are from our booklet. Now first problem is, it is question number 26 of our assignment. It is question number 26. The question is, the sum of first four terms, the sum of first four terms of an AP is 56. The sum of last four terms is 112 if its first term if its first term is 11. If its first term is 11, then number of terms that comes out to be, the option has been given out. A is 10, B option we have been given 11, C option 12, and D option is none of these. In the last lecture we had done it. If somehow numbers are given, then four numbers in AP be taken as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. But here we won't be able to use those one numbers, because this question is quite different. इसमें हमें क्या given है? हमें given है the sum of last four terms and the sum of first four terms. तो sum of first four terms का क्या आ जाएगा? It is n by 2. I do write down 4 by 2. फार्मूला Sn का we know it. It is Sn का फार्मूला क्या होता है? It is n by 2 plus 2a, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. It is a formula of sum of n terms of AP, sum of four terms. 4 by a, it comes out to be, this is 2a plus 3d. This is equal to what? This is equal to sum of four terms is 56. Now I can say 2a plus 3d is equal to 28. 2 से 2 cancel out, 56 by 2, I got this term. Now the sum of last four terms, I take the nth term is, it is nth term be a plus n minus 1d. That means I am going to write down nth term plus a n minus 1, a n minus 2, a n minus 3. The sum of these last four terms, it comes out to be 112. Now it comes out to be, this thing is, it is an, it comes out to be an is what? A plus n minus 1d. Then it comes out to be a plus n minus 1. This is equal to your a plus n minus 2d plus a plus n minus 3d. It is a plus n minus 4d. A plus n minus 4d. This is 112. Now 1, 2, 3, a. It comes out to be 4a. 4a plus, it comes out to be n minus 1, n minus 2. I got it 4n. 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 3 the 6, 6, 4, 10. 4n minus 10d. This is equal to 112. Now I got it what? It is dividing by 2. I got it 2a plus 2n minus 5 into d is equal to, it comes out to be 2 5 da and 2 6 da. Now I got this thing. It is, see, again now we have been given. See, we have been, question is, the sum of first four terms is 56. The sum of last four terms is 112. But another thing it has been given is, it is, if its first term is 11. First term is 11, I do write down, substituting over here, 22 plus 3d is equal to 28. 3d is equal to what? 6. And d will comes out to be 2. So the value of d comes out to be 2. Here also it is 11 to the 22 plus 2n minus 5 into 2 is equal to 56. Then it comes out to be 2n minus 5 into 2. This is 56 minus 22, 6 minus 2, 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 2 is, it comes out to be 34. 2n minus 5 is equal to 17. This comes out to be. This comes out to be, it is 2n is equal to 17 plus 5. N comes out to be in our fraction. So again we check it out where we did a mistake. We just check it out. See, we have been given what? We have been given sum of 4 terms. Sum of 4 terms is, it is 2a plus 3d is equal to 4 by 2, 56. 2a plus 3d is equal to 28. Here we are right. First term की जगह 11 put कर दिया, 11 to the 22, 3d is equal to 28 minus 22, 3d is 6, d is 2. Now we just check it out over here. Now, here it is what? It comes out to be, it is 4a plus 4n minus d. It comes out to be, it is, this is 112, 56, 56 minus 22. 56 minus 22. We just divide it over here and we just check it out over here. It comes out to be 56 minus 22, 6 to the 4, 5 to the 3, it is 34. 2n minus 5, 17. 2n plus 2n is 17 plus 5, it is 22. 2n, n comes out to be 11. See, again I think we are making little mistake over here. Again we can check it out over here from this point. 4a plus 4n minus 10 is equal to 112. Then dividing by 2, I got it what? Dividing by 2, 2a plus 2n minus 5d is equal to 56. In 11 to the 22, 22 plus 2n minus 5 into 2. This is 56. 2n minus 5 into 2, it is 34. 2n minus 5 comes out to be 17. 22. So right answer, it comes out to be B part. Next problem. The next problem of arithmetic progression of our booklet is, we come to question number 2. Now question number 2 is, we have been given sequence 1, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4. It has been written 4 times 4, 4. Then it has been written 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. It has been, it is 1, 2, 3, 3 to 5, 8 times 8 has been given. 3, 3, 6, 1, 8, 7, 8. This has been given, and they says where n consecutive terms, have value n, the 1025th term is what? We have to find out. 1025 term is, A option we have been given is 2 to the power 9. B option given as it is 2 to the power 10. C option we have been given is 2 to the power 11. And D option is 2 to the power 8. Now method of doing these types of question is, see, we just see the things. देखो एक कितनी बार repeat हो रहा है? That first term is repeating 1 time. दूसरी टर्म कितनी बार रिपीट हो रही है? इट इज 2 टाइम. 4 टर्म्स, जो नंबर टर्म 4 है वो रिपीट हो रही है 4 टाइम्स. एंड इट कम्स आउट टू बी, जो नंबर 8 टर्म्स है, इट इज रिपीटिंग व्हाट? इट इज रिपीटिंग 8 टाइम्स. सो आई कैन से वन थिंग फ्रॉम हियर, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 up to what will be the last term? It comes out to be 2 to the power n minus 1. It becomes a GP. 1, 2, 4, 2 to the power n minus 1 is less than 1025. It is less than 1025. Now, I can say one thing, 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 up to 2 to the power n minus 1 less than 1025, less than, it comes out to be 1 less than or equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 up to 2n minus 1 plus 2 the power n. Now this term 1025 will be greater than this one, 1 plus 2 plus 4, this whole sum, and it will be less than this sum. ये इसमें क्या आ जाएगा? It is, this is GP, A is 1, common ratio is 2. It comes out to be 2 into 2 the power n minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. 1025. Then it is less than equal to, this is equal to, first term is 1, here the first term it should be 1 over here, 1 into 2 the power, number of terms are n plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, 2 the power n minus 1, 1025 is less than, it is 2 the power n plus 1 minus 1. Now adding 1, we got it, 2 the power n is 1026 is less than 2 the power n plus 1. Now अब हम क्या करेंगे, we do apply it. अब देखते हैं इसमें कौन कौन सा satisfy करते हैं. We know that 2 the power 9, say 9, 2 the power 9 is equal to 512, 2 the power 10 is equal to 1024, 2 the power 11 is equal to 2048. Now this is a thing. So 1026 is what? It lies between what? It lies between one, it means I can say from here I can conclude what? N comes out to what? 10. This is less than or equal to. So it comes out to be, from here I can conclude that n comes out to be 10, or the right option is 2 the power 10. One more question based on this, this property is the question. Now this question is not a part of assignment. ये मैं एक क्वेश्चन हमारे असाइनमेंट का है, दूसरा क्वेश्चन अपनी तरफ से आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए करवा रहा हूं. Question is, in sequence 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4, where n consecutive terms have value n, the 150th term is A option is, it comes out to be 17, B option is 16, C option is 18, and the D option is none. So I take it, let 150th term is equal to n. जैसे पिछले क्वेश्चन में मैंने क्या लिया था, 125th term is equal to n, इसमें ले लिया 150th term is equal to n. Now I'll say 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to, it comes out to be n minus 1. Say this is less than 150. यहाँ पे number of terms पहले कितनी आ रही है, it comes out to be 1 here, then number of terms are 2 here, number of terms are 3 here, then number of terms are 4. It comes out to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n minus 1 is less than 150, less than 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Now the next step, I'll just start it from here. It is, ये AP बन गया, it is n minus 1 by 2. Total number of terms are n minus 1 by 2. It is A plus L, 1 plus n minus 1. It is 150, it is. It comes out to be n by 2, 1 plus n. Number of terms n by 2, A plus L, 1 will be cancelled out. N into n minus 1 is less than 150, less than n into n plus 1 by 2. Now I can multiply over here and it comes out to be, it is n into n minus 1 is less than 300, and it comes out to be n into n plus 1. Now we can check it out over here also. See, we can make the perfect square and we try to get it, the thing which satisfies it over here. It is n square minus n is less than, it is 300, it is less than n square plus n. And the best thing is we can substitute the values. We can check it out 16, 18 or 17. If the 16 का square we know that, small things we should know that. It is 16 का square is 256. 17 square is 289. 18 square is 324. Now substitute the values and we can find out. It is what? N square, if I just take it 17, I take it 16, 18. Suppose 17 I take it, it is 289 minus, it comes out to be your N, and we are taking it 17. It is 300 is less than. N square is what? 17 square, 289 plus 17. It comes out to be 16, 10, 306. Yes, 300 lies between what? It is 2, 6, 262. Yes, 300 lie between 262 and 306. So right option is 17. Once again, you try to understand this question. हमें suppose ये sequence दे रखी है. अब इसमें हम क्या देखेंगे? A कितनी बार repeat हो रहा है? 1 is repeating 1 time, 2 is repeating 2 times, 3 is repeating 3 times, 4 is repeating 4 times. So ये terms आपस में अपने में कितने बन रही है? ये terms अपने आप में AP में बन रही है. Now 150 टर्म इज nth टर्म. हम क्या ले रहे हैं? 150 टर्म इज n. इसका मतलब है 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n minus 1 less than 150, and this must be less than 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n minus 1 plus n. Now this is what AP say summation series we can apply it. N into n minus 1 by 2 less than 150 less than n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n minus 1, n square minus n. Now the best thing is we can check it out. 16 square, 17 square, 18 square. यहाँ पे suppose 16 square और 18 square put करके देखते. 18 square is already, it comes out to be 324 minus 18. ये satisfy नहीं करेगा. Same way 16 will also not satisfy it. So right option it comes out to be 17. The next problem. It is question number third. Question number third of our booklet. The problem is, in short, I am writing down over here. It is, we have been given log. It is question number third of our booklet. Log 5c upon a, log 3b upon 5c, comma log a upon 3b are in AP. Are in AP, and we have been given where A, B, C are in GP. A, B, C are in GP. Where A, B, C are in GP, then A, B, C are lengths of. Are lengths of, first lengths of sides of. A option we have been given it is isosceles triangle, an isosceles triangle. B option we have been given it is an equilateral triangle, an equilateral triangle. C option is given as a clean triangle. D option is none of these. Now, as we have been given out logs, logs have been given out and the three terms are in AP. So we proceeded, three terms are in AP, we can write down 2 log 3b upon 5c, twice the middle term is equal to sum of extremes, that is log 5c upon a plus log a upon 3b. Now I can say log 3b upon 5c, the whole square. This is log 5c upon a into a upon 3b. यहाँ पर मैंने कौन सा फार्मूला अप्लाई किया? यहाँ पर मैंने log की एक प्रॉपर्टी किया. It is m log n. It is m log n is equal to log of n the power m, and log of m into n. This is equal to log m plus log n. तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया? इनको क्लब कर दिया. Now I can write down taking antiderivative or cancel log. I got it what? 9b square plus 25c square is equal to. This a will be cancelled out, 5c upon 3b. This comes out to be, from here I can say b cube upon c cube. This is 125 upon 20c, 7, or we can say what? We can say b upon c, it comes out to be 5 by 3. So we got it, b upon c is equal to 5 upon 3 from here. Now, the next thing we have been given out. We are using the given. That means ABC are in AP. That means I am going to rub this thing. Now, it comes out to be B square is equal to AC. We have been given B square is equal to AC. That means B की ये वाली वैल्यू मैं पुट कर सकता हूँ. I can get it what? B की वैल्यू यहाँ से आएगी 5/3C. यहाँ वैल्यू पुट करेंगे 25C square upon 9 is equal to AC. CC will be cancelled out. We are left with what? We are left with 25C is equal to 9A. Now we have to find out the relation between this thing all. इसमें किस वे से relation बनाया जाए? We can make a relation like this way. Now the relation is, we can make it, it is I can say it is 5C. 5C is equal to 9A upon 5. I find out from here it is 5C is equal to here. यहाँ से मैं ले रहा हूँ, I am taking it 3B is equal to 5C. So यहाँ से मैंने ले लिया 3B is equal to 5C, यहाँ से ले लिया 5C is equal to this one. On combining these two, I can say 3B is equal to 5C is equal to 9A. This is A. It is 9A upon 5. Now I can say what? We can compare it and we can write down what it is. It is say सबको नीचे ले आओ. It comes out to be B 3B upon 9, 5C upon 9. It is A upon 5. Now I can say what? I can say B upon 3, B upon 3, C upon 9 upon 5 and A upon 5. So we got it what? We got it A, say it is, we got it A upon 5 is equal to B upon 3 is equal to C upon 9 by 5. Now look upon carefully, what are ABC? ABC are the sides of triangle ABC. So we should know it, हम इन दोनों sides को suppose add up करते हैं. It is 3 plus 9 by 5. 3 plus 9 by 5. It is 24 by 5. It is 4 point something. What does it mean? 5 is greater than 3 plus 9 by 5. That means A is greater than B plus C. What does it mean? Sum of two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. That means it is not a triangle. It is not a triangle. That means the right answer is secant triangle. So once again you understand this point. It is little different. It involves little bit of your say trigonometry. It is 3 terms have been given out are in AP, where ABC are in GP. So I start from here. I took it log twice the middle term, sum of extremes. Now taking 2 on the power, log mn, log n the power m, log m plus n is log mn, cancel log. I do again write down, it is cancel log. Now 9b square upon 25c square, 5c upon 3b. From here we can conclude b cube over c cube is 125 upon 27, or b is 5 by 3c. Now another condition we have been given out, it is ABC are in JP. So b square is equal to AC. यहाँ से b की वैल्यू निकाल के यहाँ पुट कर दी. I got it. It is 25c is equal to 9a, और टू सी द रिलेशन ये मेरे पास 5c था, तो मैंने क्या किया 25 को ब्रेकअप कर लिया 5c इज इक्वल टू 9a अपॉन 5. नाउ टेकिंग दिस थिंग 3b इज इक्वल टू 5c, आई कंपेयर इट 3b इज इक्वल टू 5c इज इक्वल टू 9a by 5 डिवाइडिंग बाय 9 and then taking this 3 in the denominator, I find out a upon 5, b upon 3, c upon 9 by 5. Now यदि यहाँ पे दो साइड्स इक्वल आ रही होती, ये दो साइड्स इक्वल रेशियो में आ रही होती, तब हम कहते इट कम्स आउट टू बी इट इज एन आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. यदि दो साइड तीनों साइड्स इक्वल आ रही होती, देन वी शुड हैव बीन सेन इट इज ए इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. नाउ इट इज वी फाइंड आउट हियर, sum of two sides is less than the third side. That means it is it is not a triangle. A greater than B plus C. It is not a triangle. That means it is Secant triangle. Now next problem of our booklet is, now we are doing the problem number 11. It is question number 11. The question is, if log A plus C, log C, see I have clubbed all logs question altogether. It is if log A plus C, log C minus A, log A minus 2B plus C are in AP, then option given as is ABC are in AP, ABC are in AP. B option is A square, B square, C square are in AP. C is ABC are in GP. D option is ABC are in HP. Now it comes out to be, it is if three numbers are in AP, as we have done in last question, twice the middle term. It is twice the middle term is equal to sum of extremes log of A plus C log of A minus 2B plus C. Now we are just going to do it over here. What it is, log C minus A the whole square, this is log, ये 2 पावर में आएगा, this is equal to log A plus C into A plus C minus 2B. It comes out to be your log power log m plus n log mn. Now cancel log. Cancel log, we got it C minus A the whole square, A plus C into A plus C minus 2B into A plus C. Now it comes out to be, I multiplied it A plus C as it together, A plus C into A plus C and minus 2B into A plus C. Now I just start solving it. Now further we solve it, C square plus A square minus 2AC. This is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC. It comes out to be 2AB minus 2BC. Now A square, C square, A square, C square will be cancelled out. Now what I am left with, it should be 2AC. It is because when we open it, A plus C, we will got it A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now bring this negative terms on the left hand side. 2AB plus 2BC is equal to 4AC. Now divide by what? Divide by ABC or 2ABC. We got it what? We got, I am writing down over here, it is 1 upon C, 1 upon A and it is 2 upon B. When this has been given, we can conclude 1 over A, 1 over B, 1 over C are in AP or A, B, C are in HP. A, B, C are in HP. Similar question है, यहाँ तक पहुँच जाएंगे हम. Twice the middle term is equal to sum of extremes. Now cancel log C minus A the whole square, A plus C minus 2B into A plus C. Open it, simplifying the terms, cancelling out A plus C the whole square, मतलब C A square plus C square. Now taking out negative terms on the left hand side, this 2AC will go on the right hand side. Dividing by ABC, I got it 1 over C plus 1 over A, 2 over B. I can say 1 over A, 1 over B, 1 over C are in AP and we can conclude ABC are in HP. So one more question of our booklet. Now it is of logs. It is the very next question. It is a question number 12. Question number 12th. We have been given A, B greater than C. We have been given A is greater than B, greater than C, and C. It is 2 log A minus C. Another question involving logs. Log A square minus C square. Log. It comes out to be A square plus 2BC square, 2B square plus C square. R in AP. R in AP then option given as option. A option is ABCR in AP. ABCR in AP. B option is root A, root B, root CR in AP. C option is ABCR in AP. And a D option is ABCR in HP. Method of starting is absolutely same. We start it as twice the middle term. 2 log A square minus C square. This is equal to log A minus C the whole square. I bring over here plus log A square plus 2B square plus C square. Now same way जैसे लास्ट वाले दो क्वेश्चन प्रोसीड किए हैं, A square minus C square the whole square. This is equal to log A minus C the whole square into A square plus 2B square plus C square. Now cancel log. What we left it? Cancel log कर देंगे. A minus C, A plus C, A plus C, A minus C the whole square. This is equal to A minus C the whole square. A square plus 2B square plus C square. Now see, we have to open the bracket very carefully. If we make little mistake, what will happen is we find out it will become a total hodgepodge. The best thing is I just do it, I just open it. A plus C, A minus C, A plus C the whole square, A minus C the whole square. It is A minus C the whole square, A square plus 2B square plus C square. Now I can cancel out A minus C. The reason is because हमें given है A greater than C है. So A can't be equal to C. These both terms can be cancelled out. These both terms can be cancelled out. Now we open it. A square plus C square plus 2AC. This is equal to A square plus 2B square plus C square. Cancelling out A square C square, we are left with AC is equal to B square. Or we can say what? We can say A, B, C, R in GP. Or the right option is, it comes out to be, it is ABCR in GP. One option it should be, I think. I just check it out of 4 options I have been given to us. First option is ABCR in AP. Second option is root A, this is in AP. Third option is it is not in AP, it is in GP. Fourth option is ABCR in HP. So the right option is C. Once again, यहाँ तक तो पिछले क्वेश्चन जैसा हो गया, बट यहाँ पे ध्यान रखना है. A स्क्वायर माइनस C स्क्वायर के फैक्टर कर लिए. A प्लस सी, A माइनस सी, A प्लस सी द होल स्क्वायर, A माइनस सी द होल स्क्वायर. Cancelling out A minus C the whole square. Now I got it what? A square, open it, A square C square cancel out, B square is equal to AC, or ABCR in GP. We are continuing with the problems of arithmetic progression. The next problem is if A into 1 upon B plus 1 upon C, comma B, 1 upon C, 1 upon A, C, 1 upon A, 1 upon B are in AP. Are in AP, then 4 options have been given out. It is A, B, C are in AP. B option, it has been A, B, C are in HP. Are in HP. C option is 1 over A, 1 over B, 1 over C are in AP. D option is A square, B square, C square. it comes out to be this is a square b square c square r in AP, and this option we have to make it correct. It is 1 over a, 1 over b, 1 over c r in GP. So these four option has been given out. This is a question I have picked up from my own. This is not a part of our booklet. Here I am doing this sum on the based on one property. We have done it. मैं प्रॉपर्टी लिख रहा हूँ, एक बार दोबारा रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. We have already done it. उसके बाद मैं उस प्रॉपर्टी को रब कर दूंगा. Then we'll do this sum. वो प्रॉपर्टी थी, if each term of an AP is either increase or decrease or multiplied or divided by same constant quantity the resulting sequence will remain in an AP. मैंने आपको बताया था यदि A, B, C are in AP, I can write down AK, BK, CK are in AP, or I can write down A over K, B over K, C over K are in AP, or I can say A plus minus K, B plus minus K, C plus minus K are also in AP. Now the use of this property is here. अब हम वैसे जैसे पिछले क्वेश्चनों में करते आ रहे थे, हमने 3-4 क्वेश्चन इकट्ठे किए. व्हेन द 3 टर्म्स हैव बीन गिवन इन एपी, हम करते हैं ट्वाइस द मिडिल टर्म इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ एक्सट्रीम्स. उससे प्रोसीड करेंगे तो काफी लेंथी हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन. सो द बेस्ट मेथड वी अडॉप्टेड, इट कम्स आउट टू बी से एडिंग say 1 to all. This is in AP, then adding 1 to all. It is A 1 over B plus 1 over C plus 1, B 1 upon C 1 upon A plus 1, C 1 upon A 1 upon B plus 1. अभी हमने क्या किया, जो मर्जी एड अप करें, जो मर्जी सब्ट्रैक्ट करें, इन एवरी टर्म the resultant sequence will remain in an AP. So this is in AP. Now taking out, I just take A common from first 3 terms. पहली 2 में से तो आया हुआ है A, इस 1 में से यदि A लेंगे तो अंदर क्या रह जाएगा 1 over A. If we multiply it, we get it what? We will get it again 1. Same second term में से we take it B common, 1 over C plus 1 over A plus 1 over B. Then C common, 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. अब हम क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड बाय 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. A, B, C are in AP. A, B, C are in AP. The answer comes out to be A part. बस हर एक क्वेश्चन में हमें देखना पड़ता है हम क्या ऐड कर सकते हैं, हम क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें. So this things become really easy for it. क्या मल्टीप्लाई करें या क्या डिवाइड करें. One more example, I am taking it from my own, that is if B plus C the whole square minus A square, C plus A the whole square minus B square, A plus B the whole square minus C square are in AP. Then A option, A, B, C are in AP. B option, A, B, C are in HP. It comes out to be next. This comes out to be A square, B square, C square are in AP. And the D option is, it comes out to be A, B, C are in GP. Suppose these 4 options has been given out. Now again, If we go for it, twice the middle term is equal to sum of its extremes, it will be very lengthy sum. So we adopt a method what? Now हम क्या करेंगे? If this is in R in AP, I factorize the things. Factorization मतलब B plus C minus A, B plus C plus A, C plus A minus B, it is C plus A plus B. It comes out to be A plus B minus C, A plus B plus C. This is R in AP. So make it easy. I divide by what? I divide by A plus B plus C. Now divide by A plus B plus C. I'll got it what? I'll got it B plus C minus A, C plus A minus B, A plus B minus C, R in AP. Now what will do it? Subtracting. Subtracting A plus B plus C from R. सब में से A plus B plus C subtract कर दो. We got it what? B plus C minus A minus B minus C, C plus A minus B minus A minus B minus C, A plus B minus C minus A minus B. Now we find out this BC will be cancelled out, and here CA will be cancelled out, and here I just find out BB will be cancelled out, A will be cancelled out. I am left with minus 2A minus 2B minus 2C are in AP. Divide by minus 2. Divide by minus 2, A, B, C are in AP. Divide by minus 2, it is A, B, C are in AP. The right answer, it comes out to be A, B, C are in AP. So the next problem is little different. It involves some permutations also. Now this is a question of our booklet, and the question is, this is question number 13. The question is, the number of divisors of 1029, 1547, 122 are in option given as first option AP, B it is GP, C HP, D none of this. Now to find the number of divisors is a question of permutations, and how we used to do in permutation. So हम क्या निकालेंगे? डिवाइजर्स, नंबर ऑफ डिवाइजर्स निकालेंगे. पहले हमें 1029 को ब्रेकअप करना पड़ेगा. If we break up the 1029, what we got it? We can say it is 7 into comma 11 into 11. It comes out to be it is 1029 is, we can check it out, it is 121. It comes out to be 121 into 7, 714, and it comes out to be, it is 7 7 the, it is 11 11 the 121, 121 into 7, 7 7 to the 14, it is 847. Again I just check it out, factor, we just try to make the factors of 1029. It comes out to be your it is 3 comma 7 cube, because sorry I have written it the factors of, it is 1547, जो मैं अभी गलती से फैक्टर लिख गया था 1547, ये 11 स्क्वायर इंटू 7, 11 स्क्वायर इंटू 7, ये 1547 के फैक्टर हैं. सो इसके फैक्टर कौन से? इट कम्स आउट टू बी, एक तो बनेगा, आई कैन से वन फैक्टर विल बी, इट कम्स आउट टू बी 3 इंटू 7 क्यूब. We can check it out, 7 into 7 into 3, that means 49, 49 into 7 and into 3, we find out it comes out to be 1029. So factors, it is the factors of 1029 are 3 7 cube. अब हमने निकालना है divisors. So number of divisors of 1029 are कौन कौन से होंगे? देखो, एक तो करेगा 3 डिवाइड, एक करेगा 3 दी पावर 0, एक करेगा 3 दी पावर 1. तो 3 के कितने डिवाइजर हो गए? वी डू राइट डाउन, इट इज 2 डिवाइजर्स. नाउ नंबर ऑफ डिवाइजर्स ऑफ 3010. नेक्स्ट आ जाओ बेटा, इट इज 7. एक करेगा 7 द पावर 0, 7 the power 1. 7 will also divide this one. 7 1, 7 2 and 7 3. In all there will be, we find out it is 4 divisors. In all over there will be, it is 2 into 4, it comes out to be 8 divisors. क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है आपस में, इन दोनों को हमने मल्टीप्लाई क्यों किया? बिकॉज सी व्हेन 1 into 1 करेंगे, we find out 1 is a divisor. 1 into 7, 1 into, it comes out to 49, it is also divider. Again I take it the example of 3. 3 into 1, 3 into 21, 21 is also divider. Then 3 into 49 is another divisor. Then 3 into 70 cube is another divisor. So हम क्या करते हैं, इसके लिए मेथड यही है, जितने भी फॉर्म बन जाते हैं इस वजह से इंडिविजुअल नेचुरल नंबर के डिवाइजर बना लेते हैं पावर. देन नंबर ऑफ डिवाइजर्स ऑफ पर हर एक से इंटीजर्स के वी फाइंड आउट. देन number of divisors of 1029 are, it is 2 and 4 multiply it, we got it 8. यही प्रोसीजर अडॉप्ट करेंगे सब में. नाउ 1547 इसको सॉल्व करके आ रहा है, इट इज 11 स्क्वायर इंटू 7. इसका मतलब क्या आ जाएगा, द नंबर ऑफ डिवाइजर्स, द नंबर ऑफ डिवाइजर्स आर, एक तो पहले 11 का आ जाओ, इट इज 11 द पावर 0, 11 द पावर 1, 11 द पावर 2. then it comes out to be 7 the power 0, 7 the power 1. ये बन गए 3 डिवाइजर्स, ये बन गए 2 डिवाइजर्स. मल्टीप्लाई करके कितना आ जाएगा, इट कम्स आउट टू बी 6 डिवाइजर्स. देन वी गो फॉर थर्ड वन. थर्ड टर्म इज 122. इसके जो से बनने फैक्टर, द फैक्टर्स आई फाउंड इट, इट कम्स आउट टू बी योर, इट इज 2 into 61. So it comes out to be number of divisors. Number of divisors 2 the power 0, 2 the power 1, 2. 61 the power 0, 61 the power 1, 2. Overall there will be 4 divisors. No, now we find out 1029 के कितने हैं, it comes out to be, it is 2, it comes out to be, it is 8. इसके कितने डिवाइजर्स हैं, it comes out to be, इसके डिवाइजर कितने आए 8, इसके कितने आए 6, इसके कितने आए 4. आपको क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, द नंबर ऑफ डिवाइजर्स ऑफ दिस टर्म एंड दिस टर्म आर इन व्हाट. सो इसके डिवाइजर हैं 8, इसके डिवाइजर हैं 6, इसके डिवाइजर हैं 4. सो 8, 6, 4 आर इन व्हाट, एपी, आर इन एपी. द राइट आंसर इज ए. सो इसके लिए मेथड क्या है, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि नंबर ऑफ डिवाइजर्स कैसे फाइंड आउट करने. देन आई थिंक क्वेश्चन इज वन ऑफ द सिंपलेस्ट वन. देन नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ आवर बुकलेट इज, this is regarding common terms of two series. Now this is question number, this is say this was a question number जो अभी हमने किया, it was question number 13. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 था. जो अब हम करने जा रहे हैं, इट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. द नंबर ऑफ कॉमन टर्म्स, the number of common terms of two sequences, 17, 21, 25, it goes 417, and 16, 21, 26, it is 466. is A option is 21, B option is 19, C option is 20 and the D option is 91. Now we have to look for it, the number of common terms of two sequences. हाँ, एक बात क्लियर है, we find out here common difference is 4, here common difference is 5, but both the it means both the sequences are in AP. Now we go for it. It is this is इसकी मैं ले लेता हूं पीएट टर्म, इसकी ले लेता हूं क्यूओट टर्म। पहले नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इसमें कितनी आ रही है, इट कम्स आउट टू बी, इट इज, आई जस्ट फाइंड आउट द पीएट टर्म, इट इज, पीएट टर्म इज 17 plus it is p minus 1 into 4, this is 17 plus 4p minus 4, this is 4p plus 17, this is the pth term। मैं ये लेके चल रहा हूं कि यहां पे p टर्म्स है, मतलब जो इसकी लास्ट टर्म है और जो इधर की लास्ट टर्म है जो कॉमन आएगा, इट कम्स आउट टू बी हियर, इट कम्स आउट टू बी द क्यूओट टर्म। जो भी लास्ट टर्म कॉमन है इट इज pth and here it is a क्यूओट। Qth is equal to 16 plus n minus 5. It comes out to be 5n plus 16 minus 5, or I can say 5n plus 11. Now मैंने लिया इसकी लास्ट टर्म pth है जो कॉमन है और इसकी लास्ट टर्म qth है जो कॉमन है। इसका मतलब एक बात श्योर है, 4p plus 13 is equal to 5q. Sorry, I have written it over n. It should be the qth. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, इसकी पीएट टर्म और उसकी क्यूओट टर्म दोनों की दोनों क्या होगी, इक्वल होगी। नाउ वी सिंप्लीफाई द थिंग्स, हम क्या करते हैं थोड़ा इजी बनाते हैं, वी ट्राई टू टेक इट कॉमन। कॉमन कब आएगा, यहां पे 4p plus 12 हो जाए, दैट मीन्स प्लस 1, 5q plus 10 plus 1, so 1 will be cancelled out, we are left with 4p plus 12 is equal to 5q plus 10. Then we proceed as 4 common, p plus 3, it is equal to 5q plus 2. We find out p plus 3 upon 5, this is q plus 2 upon 4. I take this as a lambda, I take this as a lambda. Now एक बात तो श्योर है, ये जो लैम्डा है इट इज पीएट टर्म इज, जो भी यहाँ पे पीएट टर्म आ रही कॉमन आ रही है दैट इज लेस देन 417, और यहाँ पे जो नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स आ रही हैं वी फाइंड आउट। नाउ again we have to find out whatever here number of terms, ये 416 417 तक सीरीज दे रखी है, तो ये कौन सी टर्म है, 417 is equal to, it comes out to be 17 plus n minus 1 into 4, it is 400 is equal to n minus 1 into 4, n minus 1 is 100, n is equal to 101. What does it mean, I can say over here it is, जो हमारी पीएट टर्म है इट इज लेस देन n, यहां पे जो पीएट टर्म होगी आई कैन से हेयर p plus 3 is equal to 5 लैम्डा, यहां पर मैंने क्या लिया, इट इज q plus 2 is equal to 4 लैम्डा, p is equal to 5 लैम्डा minus 3, q is equal to 4 लैम्डा minus 2. ये क्या आएगा, इट इज p is what, it is pth term is less than 101, 5 lambda minus 3 is 101, 5 lambda is 104, lambda is less than equal to what, it is 25 point something. So lambda it comes out to be, it is less than 25. Now I take it in another series, यहाँ पे I just find out the nth term, 466 number of terms निकाल रहा हूँ, it is 16 plus n minus 1 into 5, it is 400 is equal to n minus 5, n minus 5 is equal to 80, n is less than 81, n is equal to 81. What it means, I say जो यहाँ पे हमने कॉमन टर्म लिया it is a क्यूओट टर्म, that q should be what, less than 81, 4 lambda minus 2 should be less than 81, 4 lambda is less than 83, less than 20 point something. So what are the common terms, इसमें lambda की वैल्यू आ रही है less than 20, जो कॉमन टर्म्स हैं they are less than 25, इसमें कॉमन टर्म्स क्या आ रही है, it is less than 20, or we can say it should be equal to over here, क्योंकि it can be the last term also. So the common terms it comes out to be, common terms एक में 20 आ रही है, एक में 25, so common terms it comes out to be 20. This is little lengthy and it has a very different procedure. So once again try to understand this thing. The number of common terms or two sequences are this thing. We have to find out the common terms. मैंने इसकी लास्ट टर्म कॉमन जो है वो पीएट ले ली, इसकी लास्ट क्यूओट टर्म कॉमन ले ली। नाउ मैंने इसकी पीएट टर्म निकाली और इसकी क्यूओट टर्म निकाली, दोनों को क्या कर दिया, इक्वेट कर दिया, दोनों को इक्वेट कर दिया, और यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफाई करके मैं इस फॉर्म में ले आया p plus 3 by 5 is equal to q plus 2 by 4 is equal to lambda. See, every step is important one. यहाँ पे simplify करना भी जरूरी है. Now I just take it, this is equal to lambda ratio. p की वैल्यू आ गई in terms of 5 lambda minus 3. यहाँ पर q की वैल्यू आ गई 4 lambda minus 2. जो यहाँ पे p है, जो लास्ट कॉमन टर्म है, that is जो नंबर ऑफ टर्म होंगी उससे क्या होगी, it will be less than 101 or it can be maximum of 101. 5 lambda is less than 104, lambda less than equal to what, 25 point something. Here it comes out to be 4 minus lambda, it is 83. तो इसका मतलब इसमें जो कॉमन टर्म्स आ रही हैं, it comes out to be 20, इसमें कॉमन टर्म्स आ रही हैं 25. so दोनों में जो कॉमन टर्म्स हैं, जो दोनों में कॉमन है, it comes out to be they are not 25, they are exactly 20 only. So right answer is C part. One more problem of this very kind. Now this question is similar to, but this is not a part of our booklet. So I'm writing down, it is from my own. See, it's the question is the number of terms, the number of terms common to two APs, common to two APs are, two APs not are, the number of terms common to two APs, दो APs दे रखी हैं 3, 7, 11, it goes up to 407 and 296, it goes up to 709. So the right option, say options has been given out, it is A option is 21, B option is 28, C option is 14 and the D option is none of these. Now similarly मैं क्या ले रहा हूँ, बिल्कुल same. See, I am repeating it, it is a lengthy question, it is little difficult to understand, तभी मैंने एक दूसरा एग्जाम्पल लिया ताकि आपको पता लग जाए हम कैसे करते हैं. इसकी pth टर्म ले लो और इसकी qth टर्म ले लो, जो it is a last common term. इसकी last common term है, it comes out to be, I can write down 3, 7, 11 like this way, 3, 7, 11, it comes out to be 15, then it comes out to be 19, it is 23, 27, here 2, 9, not 6, I have to check it out, 2, 9, 16, 2, 9, 16, then 23 and then 29. So we find out it is 23 is the first common term like this way. So how many are this one, how many of these like this, उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, हम ये अज्यूम कर लेते हैं इसकी pth टर्म लास्ट है और इसकी qth टर्म लास्ट है जो दोनों में कॉमन है, 3 plus p minus 1, 4p minus 1, here qth term, that is equal to 2 plus q minus 1 into 7, it is 7q minus 5. Now it comes out to be over here, दोनों के इक्वेट कर देता हूँ, 4p minus 1 is equal to 7q minus 1 as I have done in last question. तो important thing this step to make it simple so that क्या हो जाए, हमारे जो coefficients हैं हमारा p और q का coefficient easily 1 बनाया जा सके. I'll bring minus 5 over here, I got it what, it is 4p plus 5 minus 1 plus 5 plus 4 is equal to 7q. 4 common, p plus 1 is equal to 7q, p plus 1 upon 7 is equal to q upon 4. Now again I take it what lambda, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, p plus 1 is equal to 7 lambda, q is equal to 4 lambda, p is equal to what, 7 lambda minus 1. यहाँ पे q is equal to क्या आ चुका है, it is q is 4 lambda. Now I find out what, I find out the number of terms इसमें और इसमें, दोनों में number of terms अलग अलग निकाल रहा हूँ. पहले फर्स्ट सीरीज में सीक्वेंस नंबर 1, सीक्वेंस नंबर 2, सीक्वेंस नंबर 1 में नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स कितनी है? इट इज इन इक्वेशन नंबर 1 407 इज द लास्ट टर्म, 3 प्लस n minus 1 into 4. 404 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. 101 is n minus 1, n is 102. What does it mean? It का मतलब है p can be less than or equal to 102. P can be less than equal to 102. Here also I find out the last term. I start from here. It is 709 is equal to, it is 2 plus n minus 1, n minus 1 into 7. It is 707 is equal to n minus 1 into 7. 101 is n minus 1, n is equal to 102. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? दोनों में नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स 102 है. इट मीन्स आई कैन से Q is less than equal to 102. Now substituting the values, what is P? 7 lambda minus 1 is 102. 7 lambda is less than 103. Lambda, we can conclude from here, lambda is what? 7 1 da 33, 7 4. 7, it should be equal to, इसका मतलब पहले वाले में कॉमन टर्म्स कितनी है? इट इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 14. It comes out to be here, it comes out to be Q. What is Q over here? It is, this is value we have find out 4 lambda. 4 lambda is less than 402, lambda is less than, it is 25. So what does it mean? एक में जो common terms आ रही हैं 14 आ रही हैं, एक में 25, मतलब it's not 25 exactly, the common terms comes out to be 14. Common terms comes out to be 14. So the right option is C part. Now the next problem of AP is, then this is question number 27 of our booklet. Question number 27 is what? We have been given the length of perpendicular. The length of perpendicular from origin to plane दे रखा है ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Where ABCD are in AP. Where ABCD are in AP. Where ABCD are in AP and we have been given these all numbers are what? Greater than 0. No number is negative. Is 1 unit. Matlab length of perpendicular. The length of perpendicular from origin to this plane is 1 unit. The value of C minus A upon B is equal to is, the values it has been given out root 8 minus 2. B option is equal to, it comes out to be root 8 plus 2. C option is equal to minus root 8 plus 2. D option is none of these. Now पहले हमने एक क्वेश्चन अभी क्या किया था जिसमें परमुटेशन इन्वॉल्व थी. अब ये क्वेश्चन कौन सा है? परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. इसमें क्या इन्वॉल्व हो रही है? 3 डायमेंशनल कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री. सो उसके लिए यू शुड नो इट. द फार्मूला ऑफ टू फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम वन पॉइंट टू अनदर प्लेन इज, पहले मैं फार्मूला लिख रहा हूं, देन आई रब इट एंड देन आई डू दिस क्वेश्चन. सो द लेंथ ऑफ परपेंडिकुलर, इट इज द लेंथ ऑफ perpendicular, the length of perpendicular from point P x1 y1 z1 to plane ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0 is, हम क्या लेते हैं? We take it one point, we take it P x1 y1 z1. we take it and one plane, it is, this is the base of a plane and PM perpendicular distance. This is the base. So PM perpendicular distance, this is equal to, क्या मेथड होता है, जैसे स्ट्रेट लाइन में भी हम करते हैं, टू फाइंड आउट अ परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट, क्या करेंगे, हम प्लेन में x की जगह क्या पुट कर देंगे, x1, y की जगह y1 एंड z की जगह z1. इट इज ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon, it is a square plus b square plus c square. So this is the way to find out the length of perpendicular. Now I am doing this sum. Now I can say perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance, it is equal to P. Now this is equal to from origin. If we draw, it is like this way. This is from origin P point 0, 0, 0. We find out this is plane. This is the base of a plane. Perpendicular distance. This comes out to be. This is P, small p. I am denoting it. It is small p. This is equal to A into 0 plus B into 0 plus C into 0 plus D upon square root of A square plus B square plus C square. Now we have been given this perpendicular distance is of length 1. That means this is equal to 1. On squaring, D square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. So we got this relation. It is D square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square. Now we have been given what? ABCR in AP. हमें गिवन है ABCR in AP. इसका मतलब हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, यहां पे एक कंसेप्ट जो कम यूज होता है बट इट जनरली यूजेस, कंपटीशन में थोड़ा सा यूज होता है, दैट इज आई कैन से B इज इक्वल टू A प्लस D. आई कैन से दिस टर्म इज इक्वल टू इससे पहले वाली टर्म प्लस कॉमन डिफरेंस, then C is equal to A plus 2D and D is equal to A plus 3D. Now I am substituting these values over here. I got it what? A plus 3D the whole square. This is A square. B square is A plus D the whole square. C square is what? A plus 2D the whole square. Open it. A square plus 9D square plus 6AD. This is 3A square plus D square, it is 5D square. It is 4AD plus 6AD, I got it 6AD. 6AD will be cancelled out, I am left with what? 2A square. It is 4D square. I can say it is A is equal to root 2D. A is equal to root 2D. Now I am coming over here. I am coming over here and it is, I start from here. A is equal to root 2D. Now I find out B. B हमने क्या suppose किया था? हमने suppose किया था B is A plus D. I can say it is B. A की value आ गई root 2D plus 1. I can write root 2 plus 1 into D. C is equal to 1. C is root 2D. I can write down 2 plus root 2 is equal to D. Then D. D is equal to what? It is root 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2 into D. हमने किसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है? C minus A upon B. C minus A upon B. Similarly, we substitute these values. C minus A. किसके इक्वल आएगा? C की जगह वैल्यू पुट की 2 plus root 2 D minus A. That is, A is what? Root 2D. Upon B, it comes out to be root 2 plus 1 into D. 2 plus root 2 minus root 2 into D upon, it comes out to be root 2 plus 1 into D. dd cancel out, root 2 cancel out, rationalizing root 2 minus 1 upon 1. 2 into root 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1, or I can say it is root 8 minus 2. This is our answer. Once again you understand this question. It is, once again you understand this question is the length of perpendicular from origin to this plane. So भाई मैंने फार्मूला एक्सप्लेन किया था, we find a perpendicular distance. कैसे, x की जगह हमने पुट कर दिया, x की जगह पुट किया, इट इज ओरिजिन 0, y की जगह 0, z की जगह 0 प्लस d अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर, d square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. Now this is an important point. We have been given a, b, c, d are in AP. What does it means? I find out b is a plus d, c is a plus d, d is equal to a plus cd. Now because here d, capital D, I take it as common difference. Then it comes out to be, I substituting this relation, I got it. D की वैल्यू, A की वैल्यू as such A और B और C की वैल्यू पुट कर दे. Simplify the things. I got it what? 4d square is equal to 2a square. A is root 2d. Then I find out B, C, D. Substituting the values over here, taking out d common, it is B is equal to what? It comes out to be root 2 plus 1, C is 2 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2 into D. इसकी वैल्यूज निकलती, इसकी वैल्यूज निकालनी है तो क्या करेंगे, C की जगह ये वैल्यू पुट कर दी, A की जगह it is root 2d, B की जगह root 2 plus 1d. Now I just taking out d common, dd will be cancel out. Then root 2 plus 1 denominator में आ गया था. Rationalizing it, I got it. The right answer, I got it, A option.